sack at the orphanage. What do we do?
So, Santa had a decision to make. Fortunately, when it comes to babies, Santa's a pushover. So Buddy stayed with an older elf who had always wanted a child, but had been so committed to building toys, he had forgotten to settle down. Santa! Yes, I raised Buddy. I was his adopted father. Though Buddy grew twice as fast, he wasn't any different from the other children. I mean, not really.
Now, before we learn how to build the latest in extreme graphic chipset processors, let's recite the code of the elves, shall we? Number 1.
Treat every day like Christmas.
Number 2.
There's room for everyone on the nice list.
Number 3.
That way to spread Christmas cheer.
Hi, Broody. How's my Brutus and my summer sunshine? Hi. Bless you. Hi, guys. Hi, big boy. You're a big boy. Yes, you are. You're a big boy. You're a precious angel boy. Yes, you are. You're a precious angel. Okay, stay put.